Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up a Roku remote that has power and volume buttons to work with your TV. So for this example, I have a Roku Express player plugged in to a Hisense TV. So first I need to open up the HDMI that Roku Express is hooked into, which is HDMI 3. So opening up that input. Now that I'm on the home page of the Roku Express, I want to take the remote that I'm looking to program with the TV and I'm going to use it to go down to the settings. And of course, I'm making the assumption that you've already paired the remote to your Roku Express. If you haven't done that, you can of course hold down the pairing button on this remote until it's in pairing mode and it should hook up automatically when you're on the home screen. Or if it's the regular voice remote, you can put it into pairing mode by holding the back and the home buttons down simultaneously for a handful of seconds. But either way, with our paired remote, what we want to do is in the settings, go to our remotes and then click OK on remotes. And like I said, this is the Voice Remote Pro. That's the one that I want to go to down here. And in this menu, I want to go down and find where it says Set Up Remote for TV Control and click OK on that. I recommend trying to set it up with infrared first. If that doesn't work, you can try the other option, but I'm going to click OK on the IR setup. And then it's asking to confirm the brand of TV. So like I said, I have a Hisense TV. That's what I'm going to click OK on. If you need to, you can change the TV brand, but again, I'm going to be clicking OK here on the Hisense TV. It's now playing music on my Hisense TV, so it says, please point your Roku remote at this TV. And if it's playing music, we can click OK on where it says, yes, music is playing. Now it's asking, do you still hear the music? You can see that it's muted for me, so I can no longer hear the music, so I'm going to click OK on no. If you can still hear the music, then click OK on yes, and it will try a different TV code, but I'm going to be clicking OK here on no. And it says success. So setting up the remote for the TV, your Roku remote is set up for controls for this TV's power and volume. Remember to point your remote at this TV. It's communicating over infrared. And if the infrared option doesn't work for you, it might be because your TV either doesn't have infrared or maybe your Roku remote doesn't have infrared built into it. So you can try the CEC option. But I'm going to click OK here, and that's going to finish up this process. So going back to the home screen, I can now adjust the volume. As you can see with this Roku remote on the TV, having that volume go up and down. And I can also turn off this TV with this power button and powering it back on, and it takes me to the home page of my Hisense TV. And clicking on the home button of my Roku remote, it takes me right back to my Roku Express. So I hope this video is helpful, showing you how to program a Roku remote that has power and volume with a TV that you have a Roku player hooked into. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.